would you choose robotics? So if you want to become a doctor, study MBBS. If you want to build a bridge, study civil engineer. But if you want to do robotics, it's like a very interdisciplinary field where you just can't stick on to only robotics, but you need to know electronics, mechanical, automation, electronics, and much more. So this was my final year project, which I concentrated on, universal gripper robot. Okay, this was my presentation and my kind of dissertation for master's, and this one for my bachelor's as well. So I'd really like to skip the video. So just playing it very soon, and I'll wind it up here.
Hello friends. As we know, robotics is the future of technology, and today we are going to explore its applicable fields. So let's start. Number 1. Medical robots. This robot helps manual or automatic positioning of robot at planned position for desired tool for medical work. Number 2. Chef robots. This is amazing robot which cooks delicious food for your tummy. Soon you may find it in your nearby restaurants and hotels. Number 3. Construction robots. Robots in construction make the life easy for the workers. They make the building structure so much perfect that even skilled worker cannot meet them. Number 4. War robots. This lethal war machines can change the game when used with AI and machine learning. Number 5. Agriculture. This robot helps the farmer to plant and water them. They keep the detailed analysis of plant and other information related to farming. Number 6. Manufacturing. Robot in manufacturing is most used robot till date. They are creating everything from small parts to full working cars. Number 7. Transport robots. Nowadays, drone delivery is very popular and increasing day by day. Drone is a type of flying robot. Soon, human will travel using drone also.